Hello dear students. Today we'll discuss about the complete digestive system of Amphioxus. Amphioxus is the protochordate animal and it is a filter feeder animal. It is bottom dwelling filter feeders. Its anterior end is covered by fold of skin called as the oral hood. The food particles are filtered through the buccal cirri or oral cirri, and the wheel organs are present. Wheel organs are the peculiar character of the Amphioxus. Velar tentacles and the endostyle, which is also present at the anterior part of the body. Buccal or the oral cirri are finger-like processes which form a sieve or mesh and filter the food particles as the animal feeds. The wheel organ is located on the inner surface of the oral hood, and it is followed by the alimentary canal. So alimentary canal, which is the similar like other animals, which is started from the mouth and ends into the anus. So mouth is located at the anterior part of the body with the oral cirri. From the mouth, the food goes into the pharynx, which is a long bag-like perforated structure with 100 pairs of the oblique gill slits, which then opens into the atrium or the atrial cavity and then to the exterior by the exhalent or atrial aperture. So alimentary canal, which is started with the mouth, and then the pharynx, which is also there, and the oblique cirri, oblique gill slits, which are present at the in the mouth. Then you can see the diagram of the digestive system or the alimentary canal of the Amphioxus. You can see here at the anterior part there is a mouth and the oral cirri which are present. This velar tentacles which are also present. Rostrum is there, and the wheel organ which is the peculiar character of the Amphioxus. Then the mouth, which is followed by the oral cavity, and oral cavity which is followed by the pharynx. So pharynx is there. Then ahead that there is an atrium. Then you can see the entire alimentary canal which is there, intestine which is there, foregut is there, hindgut is there, anus is there, and you can see the above there is a notochord and the epipharyngeal grooves which are also present. So atrium mid diverticulum is also present. So this is the diagram of digestive system of Amphioxus. Then the digestive glands which are also present in the body. The midgut diverticula is often referred as a liver, as its groove bears zymogen cells which secrete the digestive enzymes. The epithelial lining of the intestine, which is also contain many gland cells which too secrete digestive enzymes. So digestive enzymes which are very important for the digestion of the food material. So Amphioxus feeds on the pelagic region, suspended microscopic organisms like diatoms, protozoans, desmids, etc. These are the food of the Amphioxus. The food is filtered in the mouth and enterostome. Then it reaches the pharynx. So mouth to pharynx, the food has been continue, and then the food cord formed in the pharynx comes into the midgut through the esophagus. So tubular structure esophagus which is there, and the diverticulum cell which cells and the epithelial cells of the midgut secrete the digestive enzymes. So digestion is mostly extracellular and also occurs as an intracellular in the phagocytic cells of the midgut diverticulum. So digestion commences in the midgut and further proceed in the remaining part of the intestine. The ileocolic ring undergoes rotation due to its ciliary action. This rotation breaks down the food particles into the small and fine particles which thoroughly mix with the digestive enzyme and also allow the enzymes to act on the food material. The digestive enzymes are amylase, lipase, proteases, but pepsin is absent. The absorption of food partially in the midgut and largely in the hindgut. The waste matter is digested by the anus. So this type of the digestive system of the Amphioxus. So Amphioxus having a complete digestive system. Amphioxus is the protochordate animal. It is found in the oceans, and in the pelagic region these are found. These are the bottom dwellers, feeds in the sand, different types of the microorganisms, diatoms. On these they are feeding, and the very important characters, oral cirrhosis are present and wheel organs are present. So they are filtering the food from the sand particles. Then food goes into the buccal cavity to pharynx, pharynx to esophagus, esophagus to diverticulum. Then the liver-like structure which is also there, which are secreting digestive enzymes. Then the intestine is there. A foregut, before that there is a foregut, then there is a midgut, and there is a hindgut, and the last part of the digestive system is the anus. So whatever the indigested material which is there, which has been digested by this anus. So in this way, the digestive system of the Amphioxus which is complete, and these Amphioxus, they are feeding on the different types of the microorganism. So this is the end of this system. We will continue digestive system of the pigeon in the next lecture. So we stop here. Thank you very much.